Let's jump in and take a look at Diode Dynamics Stage Series rock lights. Each light comes with a waterproof M8 barrel style connector with a 10-inch lead, ensuring a secure waterproof connection. The included wiring harnesses makes this a truly plug-and-play install. The Stage Series rock light uses a simple 3-wire system, allowing you to select a low power or high power mode. One very unique feature of the Stage Series rock light is the fully encapsulated design, covering the circuit boards as well as the LEDs. This design allows for an IP68 waterproof rating. 4 individual optics are molded into the outer lens, which provide excellent spread and even consistent coverage. The lens itself is a thick automotive-grade polycarbonate. The lenses are interchangeable and can be swapped in easily. Alright, now it's time to get these unboxed and installed on my Jeep. As you can see, we'll be using the 4-light kit here for my install. Here's a look at a fully assembled light. And here's a look with the cover off and the center mount easily seen. Here's the mounting hardware supplied and the hardware cap. For the install on my Jeep JL, I fabricated these simple brackets out of aluminum to mount the rock lights onto. And here you can see how those went together. With the mounting bolt tightened, we install the rubber cap, and then the lens goes on. Super easy. Alright, after test fitting everything and assembling the lights onto my brackets, it's time to get these on the Jeep. My mounting locations are just behind the front wheels and just ahead of the rear wheels. These locations have the lights tucked up high and inside the frame rail, out of harm's way. For my application, I wired these straight into my Aux 4 switch. Clean and simple. Now, let's see them in action. Now here's another great application I found for these rock lights. Via that Aux 4 switch in my Jeep, I can set them to come on with cold startup. Perfect for those early winter mornings when you're still in the dark. With the versatility the Stage Series rock lights provide, they can be used under hood, on rack systems, etc. Receive free shipping on any Diode Dynamics order by using the code EXPEDITIONBUILDS. Until next time, stay safe, and we'll see you on the trails.